This is Mary at the.meri.atelier, and this is going to be a reorg video. It will probably be pretty short. I don't have the light on in my studio because it's very messy. I'm going to take you back over into here. I'm calling this closet area. I have to move my chair. If I can even get in there. I'm calling this little closet area my stash closet now. And I just watched Susan Hiles. Let's see, I have to move this cart so I can get in there. I just watched Susan Hiles craft an update, and she has her overflow stash down in the basement. Now you're going to see some light. And that has inspired me. Let me get in here because, oh yeah, I have so many boxes, you guys. I've been inventorying all these boxes, but I can hardly get in this room. It has inspired me to take, now this is not the tablecloth that Barbowen sent me. I got this from Pearl at Pearl's auction. This is more like a curtain or a shower curtain. I don't know what it is. It's a curtain. But see, all these boxes here, all these boxes, it's just very frustrating because I've taken them from in my studio and stacked them up in here. They're all in, not all of them are inventoried. Most of them are inventoried. But I'm going to move these boxes upstairs. It's getting warmer out, and I can work upstairs now, and I need these boxes at a point to where I can get to them. So this is my next task for my studio reorganization. My fabrics are still nice and neat. Let me move in here, shut the door behind me. You know, and my books are there, but still, I can't get to it because I have things stacked up. This has become that was in my room, only a little bit more organized, but I can't get to things. And so just by watching Susan Hiles, and I will put a link to her video. And look, see, my poor brother's, I left all his tractors on that back, all his pop can art. I left it all on there, but you can't see it. You can see this up here. My brother does pop can, or had done pop can art. And I left most of it in here on display. But yeah, it's warmer now. I can work upstairs. So I'm going to start moving some of these boxes and organizing my boxes that are inventoried so that I can get to everything. So I just wanted to show that to you. Shall I attempt to go back out? Another thing I need to do is fix this bookcase. It's leaning just a little, and I have a board. That I'm going to put in down there because I don't want it to topple over. But you can see this is where I work, and you know, I enjoy it so much. And this is my little project card. I'm continually sorting that out. And you know what? I went in here someplace. Well, oh, there they are. Are these them? Yeah. Here are the super tip markers that Becky sent me. I'm going to get those out because I was playing with fractal art. And I'm sorry it's dark in here. I did not turn on the lights. So you're getting the light from the curtain. You want to peek outside? My brother said the daffodils are starting to, well, let me get closer. I don't know if I can see the daffodils from here or not. I'm going to knock papers off the floor here if I'm not careful. Let me shut this door better. Okay, let's peek outside. I don't want to trip over cords. Wouldn't that be fun if I fell while I was recording this, huh? Let me peek outside. I don't open these curtains very much because it's such a pain. No, you can't see the daffodils, but pretty soon we'll be out there mowing lawn and everything. But here's my desk. Here's where I work. I'm going to paint this and put some page corners on here. I have papers. Oh, you guys, I'll tell you all about that tomorrow. So, and yeah, my screen is still up here. And I haven't stacked out, well, I've stacked a little. These are the studio boxes from Junk Journal Shop. But, you know, all of those boxes that you saw in the closet were all up in there. I've resolved that. And I do have some boxes here. These are my kits. I can move those over, though. Let's peek in the back here. And, well, it's pretty dark, but I can get back in here. Yeah, it's pretty organized back there. It's kind of dark. I'm sorry. It's dark. And dolls. And I still need to clean off my desk area. I'm continually loading this desk up again. It's just it's my place to put things while I'm working. There's my arcade and tape, and these are stencils and scrap papers. Happy Mail is all up in there. And then extra things and copy paper and all my fun stuff up in here. All my little display items. So, let me slowly back out of here. I do have this red cart. I unloaded it all and sorted it out, but I had to put some things back in there. And these are fussy cuts. All of these are art journals there. And then some more of my brother's pop can art. So, just updating you on my studio reorganization. It's a continual process. It is a continual process, but I'm naming that my stash closet. I'm going to take boxes out of there, and I'll probably take ones that have already been inventoried and move them upstairs. So that's my next task. I'll let you know when it's done. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.